Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete address from your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do you note that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now moving along the topic, initially what you guys have to do is simply go to Account and List. I'm gonna go there right now. The button's on the top right next to Returns and Orders. Once you've clicked on it, then you can see something like your account, and below it there are lots of options. But right now what we're gonna focus on is simply your address. From here you can edit, remove or set default address. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, as you can see, I have added about 2 addresses, and let's just say I want to delete one. Let's say I want to delete this address right here, and in this specific tab you can see these 3 options at the bottom. Simply edit the address, remove or set as default. Right now we want to remove it, so I'm going to click on the remove button right here. Finally, it's going to ask for your confirmation whether you actually want to remove it or not. If you do want to remove it, simply hit on yes, and then your address will be removed from your Amazon account. And guys, that's it. That's how you remove address from your Amazon account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.